Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Binance US app for beginners. First, download the app and begin the simple account creation process. You'll need to complete identity verification, which usually takes just a few minutes. Next, enhance your security by enabling two-factor authentication. Finally, link your preferred payment method, such as a bank account or debit card, to easily deposit funds and start trading on the platform. Once your account is set up, depositing funds is straightforward. You can use methods like ACH transfers, which are often free. Explore the app's intuitive interface to discover a wide range of cryptocurrencies available for trading. When you're ready, select your desired crypto and place a market order. This allows you to buy or sell at the current best available price, making your first trade simple and quick. Beyond market orders, explore limit orders to buy or sell at a specific price you set. This gives you more control over your trades. Regularly check your portfolio within the app to track the performance of your assets and see their current value. When you wish to withdraw funds, the process is secure and typically involves transferring them back to your linked bank account. Always review transaction details carefully. As you become more comfortable, delve into advanced trading views and charting tools for deeper analysis. Always prioritize security by using strong, unique passwords and being wary of phishing attempts. Binance US offers robust security features, but your vigilance is key. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. This helps you stay informed and secure while exploring the exciting world of cryptocurrency.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.